Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join my little YouTube family. So today I have a Boxycharm unboxing, and I actually have two of them. I have one for last month and for this month, and I haven't opened them yet. They're still sealed, so I'm kind of excited. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the subscription box Boxycharm, this is $21 a month, and it's monthly, and they give you full-size products, so you can go ahead and try out each month. They give you a little card inside each of the months. So this is going to be the card for September, I believe. I'm not 100% sure because I do have two boxes and I haven't peeked in any of the social media, so I'm not 100% sure. But for this month, it's wildflower, and then inside it does give you details of each of the products that are in here. So the first thing is this Laura Geller Baked Blush Brightener. Next thing in the box is this brush set. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this costs $18. This is called the Ojitos brush set. So next thing in the box is this lipstick. Super cute. The packaging, and this cost $17, and it's by the brand Hank and Harry. So even though it looks like a lipstick outside, it looks like you can just open it like that. You actually twist it, and it's a normal liquid lipstick. And that's the color. This is the color Petal Pusher. Next thing in the box is this roll-on precious liner from Butter London. Stroke of Wow. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually a little roller ball. So you just like roll the little wheel, and that goes for $19. And last thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Smoky Eyeshadow Palette, and this is $35. So like my other videos, I'm not going to swatch the colors because I actually like to give my palettes away. Moving on to the next box for this month. The theme for it is Life of the Party. That's the little box. That's the little card. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing in the box is this Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector by Becca Cosmetics. And this cost $15 to $18, so I'm assuming it depends on what size you get. That's pretty cool. This is a cuticle treatment, vitamin E infused cuticle oil. That's what it's called, and it's by the brand NCLA. So this costs $18. This is an eyeliner in the color Chocolate. This is a Smashbox lipstick, Be Legendary Liquid Metal in the color Brains and Bronze. Okay, and that Smashbox lipstick costs either from $21 to $24. And next thing in the box is Clean Gold Eye Mask by Wander Beauty. They give you 3 of them. That's what they look like. And last but not least is the Laura Lee Party Animal eyeshadow palette, and that's what the colors look like. Super bright and party animalish. So it has Ease a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hungover. I'm so late on opening this box. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen swatches already, but yeah. So that's all I got for the last 2 months. I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Public service announcement. Excuse my puffs, but you know what? I did a DIY cut, and my hair is usually puffy, so there you have it.